What is supply and demand in Forex? Imagine many people are traveling from the United States to Europe and they need to exchange dollars for euros. They go to the currency exchange, noticing that the exchange rate has changed since the last time they checked. This is because the supply and demand for each currency has shifted. This same principle applies to the Forex market as a whole. The exchange rate between two currencies is determined by the supply and demand for each currency. The value of a currency is influenced by various factors such as economic indicators, geopolitical events, and market sentiments, which all affect the supply and demand of a particular currency. One way to identify supply and demand levels in Forex trading is by using technical analysis tools such as support and resistance levels. These levels show areas where buyers or sellers are expected to enter or exit the market and can help traders make decisions about when to buy or sell currencies. In addition to technical analysis, traders can also use economic indicators such as gross domestic product, GDP, inflation, and employment data. In your opinion, can supply and demand levels be used to identify potential entry and exit points for Forex trades?